G'day world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Today we are looking at this marvelous thing, Boker Plus. Okay, so inside this box we have the Boker Plus Pocket Bowie. Nice. Okay, beautiful box. See everything you need to see. Okay, I showed you the box and I showed you the pouch in the unboxing. I just need to show you this pouch again. Really nicely done. Look at that thing. Nice and big. And then we have two pouches in there. Paperwork at the back. Very cool. Okay, for people that like carrying all kinds of little pouches and things. Okay, and then this is what this knife looks like. I did a short yesterday. People seem to like this one, although it is quite old. Okay, this is not a new model. This is an old model. I just always wanted one. After I showed you that, excuse me, the Urban Bowie. There was an Urban Bowie. I cannot remember. I think maybe it was a Kaiser. Anyway, I love that little thing. But this thing feels a bit more classy. Look at the pocket clip on this thing. It gets screwed from the other side. Only one position, but it's very nicely done. Okay, so I like the pocket clip. I like the look of this knife. We have a big backspacer. It's the same micarta as this, and the micarta has been done really, really nicely. Do you see that? Nice and textured. Feels awesome. Looks awesome. Really like this. Okay, and then we have a thumb disc that works very well. Okay, and you see the beautiful Bowie shape. Nice swedge at the top. Flat ground blade, saber height about. And then it says Boker Plus right there. And on the other side it gives us the maker's name and D2. Very cool. I love the texture on that thing. Okay, this is a 3-finger knife. Do you see this part here? My pinky rests just there. Okay, so it sits right there at the bottom. Okay, so it feels pretty solid in hand. Now you can choke up, but I'm not really gonna do that. And then we have this thing, and it's a very solid rest for your thumb. Okay, very, very cool little EDC knife. There we go. The Boker Pocket Bowie. So if you need a Bowie in your pocket, but you are living in a place where you cannot really carry a big Bowie, this thing should do you nicely for an EDC knife. Then also, this thing is removable for countries where, I know in Germany they have that law, a thing can be locking, but then it has to be two-hand opening. You can't have two-handed opening and locking at the same time. So then you can just remove your little thumb disc if you live there. Now you can reverse flick it. And it does thumb flick very nicely, but it runs on Teflon washers. Okay, now we don't see that a lot anymore unless you're buying really gas station knives, but there's nothing really wrong with Teflon washers. They last forever. They are used in the motor industry, so nothing really wrong with it. It works fine, and it is quite strong, and the lockup on this thing is rock solid. Okay, there we go, the little Boker Plus. Oh, and it's quite inexpensive. This is definitely, if you can get hold of the one, they are definitely not very expensive. Okay, all of you, enjoy the rest of your Saturday. We will definitely make another video tomorrow. I'll see what I feel like today, if we're gonna do something else. But otherwise, enjoy. Well, here where I live, it's nice, cool, overcast, cloudy, a lovely day. All of you, stay safe, happy, have a good one. Goodbye.